Sup, tubers? I'm gonna try something different today. Using the Andy head cam. Do a couple unboxings. One, maybe the other. I don't know. You get to listen to me ramble. The Chevy Luv. The Chevy Luv with side pipes, eh? Very nice, very nice. It's pretty sweet. This is obviously it's an older Monogram kit. Whatever. I don't care. Really don't care. 73 parts, blah, blah, blah. Bunch of, in 1972, Chevrolet started importing a small pickup truck from Japan. Whatever. See what's in here. Just back here next to it. This is for a build off I'm doing. But dump it and check it. I'm gonna be kind of casual about this one. So here we go. Look at these sweet decals. Oh, nice. Look at the little alien guy. Get some light on that. That's bitchin'. Little Roswell mural or something. Looks like a UFO in there. Oh, super cool. Not sure how many of these I'll use, but I'm definitely putting that on something. Oh, neato. Yeah, whatever. That's part A goes to part B. Oh, cool. Little windows. Does the camera pick that up? Whoa, Inception. Whoa. Got a little side moon windows for the camper shell. Yeah, I don't hate those wheels. Here, you know what? I'm just going to open this crap. Not like I'm going to save it for any reason. Ooh, shiny. Yeah, I don't hate them. The tires are pretty nice. It's got a set of kind of slicks. Widers in the back, narrow in the front. It's hot rod. Oh yeah, that's cool. That bumper's way too big. I'm gonna have to cut that back. You can see on the box where I threw it. It just sticks out way too far. Yeah, no thanks. Guess we're getting some fabrication modding and twice pipes, these side pipes, eh? So yeah, what does this thing have in it? It does have the V8 in it. I know that much. Somebody used to have one of these things. I think it was a beast. It's ridiculous. Little pickup truck that went through rear ends like nobody's business. Actually, that's probably for... Oh, I'm not sure what that is for. It might just be for me to carve off. Nice. Cool. And the camper shell, which, I'll paint it and put it up, but I don't know if I'm going to display it with it or not, because I like trucks. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if the actual truck came like that or not, but yeah, who cares? Looks relatively clean. I'm not sure what those are, just leftover parts of the mold, but whatever. They'll cut off easily. Look at those fender flares. That's sweet. What happened to my music? I was listening to... Yeah, who cares? Kind of don't really want music right now. The hood looks alright. It's got some little imperfections in it that, if you were going to make a show model out of this, you'd probably have to do a little work, but it doesn't look too bad. It'll be fine for me. And cab back. Those are usually a good idea to glue that stuff on before you paint the front molding or the valance or air dam or whatever you want to call it. Ooh, nice little headers. Is that a stock dash? I don't know. I don't remember. I know somebody had one, but I didn't spend a whole lot of time in that tuck. Words are good at talking. There's our V8. Oh, that's a lot of motor for that little truck. Okay, let's Well, that's an interesting setup. The bottom of the bed and the bottom of the cab are part of the frame. Huh. And then that's about it, you know. Let's throw some glue and some paint all over this thing and see what we can't make of this sharp little chart. Nice. Looking forward to this one. That's about it. Let me know if you like this video. Click down here, down below, or down there. Clicky, typey. For the, you know, thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that horse hockey. Let me know if you like this video, or, you know, maybe you like this one better. Let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna pull it, you know, so it's this one. You like that one, or maybe that one. I don't know. I see the big time YouTubers do that. You know, there's like other stuff on the screen that you can click on. I'm pointing at my screen. Okay, yeah, I'm an idiot. That's enough. Peace.